So we are doing our nature study today using this awesome book, Law's Guide to Nature Drawing and Journaling. And it's not just a nature guide because you can see here, like I have all kinds of notes. It has the best quotes in it. I don't know, it's funny.
Look at mine.
But, so Carly, what have you been doing, Carly?
Doing some leaves and flower petals.
Leaves and flowers. You've been doing some rubbings.
These are some of mine.
Awesome. And where'd you get those leaves?
These leaves, I got one from that pine.
Names for raccoon teeth.
There's a
Over there, a
pine.
tree. Yeah.
Yeah, and I got this one from that pink one.
Yeah. I think that's a decorative plum, maybe. And what are you working on, Kenna?
I'm working on drawing this fish bone.
Let's zoom in here. So she found a fish bone that she's...
And Cole's using my raccoon jawbone. At least I think it's a raccoon.
Okay, what are you working on, Cole?
I'm trying to figure out what these teeth, the raccoon teeth, are called.
What raccoon teeth are called. So he found this bone. And so he's trying to figure out what kind of bone it is and wants to know what they call the teeth. And then we've got some
Maybe that's not a
polished rocks
It
here
is.
that we got at Mount Rainier National Park.
that little
And we have Kenna's rock collection. And so we are doing some fun outdoor work since it's such a beautiful day. You can kind of see outside how pretty it is outside today. And we have our new little puppy Bailey over here. Carly's got her. Hi, Bailey. So that's a look at our nature study today.